Hey everybody, welcome to Dr. G Cooks. I got a lot of leftovers after the holidays, so I'm gonna show you how to make some scalloped potatoes. Saute some mushrooms in butter, a little bit of salt, and some crushed garlic. Thinly slice 2 or 3 potatoes. Do this with a mandolin if you have one. If not, just slice them really thin, be really careful. Grate about 2 cups of any hard cheese you have. Sharp cheddar is the best, but I didn't have any. This is a leftover dish. So here I've got Toma and white cheddar. Make a little roux. Use about equal parts, 3 or 4 tablespoons of butter and 3 or 4 tablespoons of flour. Mix it together. To the roux mixture, add 1½ cups milk. You should have this nice thick roux with milk and a little cayenne pepper now. Melt in about 1½ cups of your grated cheese. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Meanwhile, get a baking dish like this and layer in order potatoes, then the mushrooms, then about half your cheese sauce. Spread it around. Repeat. Cover that last layer with your cheese. Don't do any more than 3 layers. This is kind of a 2½ layer dish. Top with cheese and paprika. Put this baby in the oven at 350 degrees for about 1.25 hours. Keep an eye on it. Just pulled it out of the oven. Looks amazing. Gonna let it cool a bit and then we'll dig in. And that's it. Scalloped potatoes a la Dr. G. Looks so delicious. Time to eat.